Primeiro, eu quero saber em relação à astrologia mapa astral, que a gente já vem predestinado com várias coisas, mas o que a gente consegue mudar nessa vida praticando base
Primeiro, she's asking about like our birth chart, like we are already.
In this Kali Yuga, Lord Advaita Acharya, when he will come, because that alien son came. You know this story? When Advaita Acharya, he came in Navadvip Dham, and he saw the Brahmanas, they are following the rules and regulations of Brahmanical activities. People are not following the Yuga Dharma, not chanting holy names. Even the Panditas, they are not following the Vedas Dharma. Understand this? And they are also eating meat, fish, onion, garlic, and also what is called sacrifice the goat in front of demigod and demigod Kali, Shiv, Durga. Then Advaita Acharya become very angry. Advaita Acharya is thinking, I am the combined form of Sadashiv and Mahavishnu. So duties of Sadashiv and Mahavishnu, creation and destruction. So Advaita Acharya thinks, I am the creator or I am the destroyer. So I will destroy everything now. Advaita Acharya become very angry. Then the aerial sound came and pacified you. Advaita Acharya, hey Advaita Acharya, keep patient. Your master. And soon he will be arrive in Navadvip Dham, and he will be reestablish Varnashram Dharma
Vai restabelecer
and Yuga Dharma Pavartan, he will do this. This. That time Advaita Acharya soon means here. Soon means not what is called
em breve.
specific time.
Advaita Acharya diz mais em breve.
1 minute, 2 minutes. When we airport,
2 minutos.
they are saying soon be body. Then again another 5 minutes delay.
Próximo.
Then after 5 minutes again saying
Aí daí
10 minutes delay. And delay, maybe 1 hour delay.
às vezes 1 hora de
First they announce boarding will be delay enough for soon.
boarding.
Then after 5 minutes they say delay, 5 minutes delay. Then again announce
Próximo. Ele
and 10 minutes delay. Then again announce 1 hour delay. Many flights they are doing this. They are not at a time saying the flight delay
Então eles não falam
1 hour.
vez que o voo atrasou 1 hora.
Always they saying soon.
Eles sempre
Soon means not
falam embarque próximo.
fixed time.
Quer dizer que
So the real sound came. Hey Advaita Acharya, soon your master Vrinandan Samsundar, he will be appear in the form of
aparecer
Sachinandani Gaur Hari.
na forma de Satinandana Gaura.
Because in this Kali Yuga Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu will appear.
Nessa Kali Yuga,
This thing also mentioned in Srimad Bhagavatam.
está mencionado no Srimad Bhagavatam.
Takta Sudacharun Sudha Rajya Lakshmi Dharmishta Arju Vachasa Jad Gardana Mayamigam Daitipsitam Anadhavada Bande Mahapurusate Saranar Vindam. This is fixed. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu will come.
Chaitanya Mahaprabhu vai vir e isso já está estabelecido.
But soon, real sound coming soon. Soon means where? Then no possible. Then Advaita Acharya, no.
Mas a Advaita
Now.
não, agora.
So Advaita Acharya he took
Acharya ele pegou
Gangajal and
banho
Tulasi
e tudo.
and offered to Krishna. And Krishna this is his also Krishna saying. What do you call it? No. Tulasi dala matrena jalasya chulukena va. Vikrinita sa atmanam bhaktebho bhaktavatsa. Krishna is saying this already. One who takes the Gangajal and Tulasi and offer to Krishna. Krishna completely what? Sold out himself. That is what. So in this way, proof. Then Vrinandana Samsundar he appeared.
Foi provado para
And in the form of Sachinandana Gaur Hari.
na forma de Satinandana Gaura.
So soon means maybe according to his time he will come. But when Suddha Bhakta calling,
Momento que ele quer vir. Mas quando
that time
chama ele,
he will be also break this law.
nesse momento ele
So in the same way, when the Suddha Bhakta is thinking, okay, I will change his what is called astrological what is called chart, birth chart, possible.
Então, quando o devoto pura decide, eu vou
I will just give example. Just I will give example.
o que vai acontecer com ele.
Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada.
Por exemplo, Bhakti Saraswati Prabhupada.
He changed or not? He changed. I am giving blessing.
Discípulo de Bhakti Saraswati Prabhupada. Isso não,
He will be not enter in your household life.
você não vai.
Huh?
Discípulo de Bhakti Saraswati Prabhupada.
What is the name of the Prabhupada disciple? Just I forget the name.
Na vida familiar.
I think Bhakti
Bhakti Yavar.
Saranga Maharaj, na? Bhakti.
Bhakti Yavar.
Jajavar Maharaj. Anyhow, just also saying this. If you want, really. Generally, devotees they don't want to disturb the Krishna desires.
Querem perturbar ou mudar o desejo de Krishna.
Krishna desire is the best desire. What is it?
O desejo de Krishna é o melhor desejo.
But when challenged, that time they do.
When challenged,
Challenge, you thinking I will also break this law. And like Krishna took how? What is it called? Vow. I will not hold any weapons in the war of battlefield of Kurukshetra.
fez esse voto, não vou segurar nenhuma arma na batalha de Kurukshetra.
Then Bhishma Pitama he took vow.
Tamar ele fez um voto.
If I the son of Santuni Putra, son of Ganga Putra Bhishma,
Sou filho de
then I will make the whole the weapon in your hand. So he did also this. This is going. So Krishna's vow also had. Broke.
Então o voto de Krishna foi quebrado.
But this guy Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita also saying this.
Bhagavad Gita.
Hey Arjun, if I take vow, maybe I will not carry on my vow. So you take vow. Now me bhakta anashyati. Hey Arjun, you take vow. Those are my devotee, they will be never perishable. So Bhakta Bhagavan Pradigya also this time. Possible. Possible, impossible. So for this regard, Sanskrit word is saying this. English word saying possible is impossible, impossible is possible.
Impossível se torna possível e o possível se torna possível.
So
E quando a gente não quer sofrer, quando a gente canta os mantos, né? Pra gente não sofrer as consequências das nossas ações.
another things, actual astrologer is not proper way they are calculating. Maybe how many percentage?
Os astrólogos eles não conseguem
They are gazing.
calcular perfeitamente. Eles
You understand? You can ask the astrologer, just is engaging this star, this star, this star, this star, not proper. Or you are not giving your proper also, what is called? Date of birth, timing, everything is this. If you give, they will be,
tá dando
if they are expert, they will be calculated.
seu nascimento.
Understand this? But who knows when you took birth from the womb of mother?
Sabe o horário exato que você nasceu no ventre da sua mãe.
You are not the evidence that time.
Você não era prova nesse momento.
That time you are crying.
Só estava chorando.
Maybe third person just okay, just getting
Alguém
6 a.m. What is it?
6 da manhã.
And 5 past 10 minutes, something.
Às vezes teve 5 a 10 minutos de diferença.
So, if the particular perfect the time, date of time of birth, then they will calculate.
Então, se tiver o momento exato,
Because this is true.
nasceu, o horário
And calculate
exato, aí
proper
vai
way.
ser perfeito.
So Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada,
Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada,
and he was the great, what is it called? Astrologer. And proper way to do this.
Prabhupada, ele era astrólogo.
Nowadays you are just reading books and going to the computer for this.
Elas leem livros, elas vão
Now everything is a computer system.
hoje tudo dia no sistema do computador.
Understand? If I tell to this, you are astrologer, they become very angry.
Se eu falar isso para os astrólogos,
Actually, this I tell to honestly, they are just cheating the people.
mas
They are getting money.
estão só enganando as pessoas.
And I will tell you also, you will not think that, oh, okay, this is happened. Then, okay, some happen, some not will happen. So what happened?
Você fala, isso aconteceu, mas algumas coisas que o astrólogo fala acontecem, outras não.
Many also doing this, cheating the people.
De alguma maneira,
And
eles estão enganando.
most of the, I honestly tell you, most of the astrologer, they are cheating the people how to get the money. And create the fear in your
Também criando
mind also.
medo.
So Gurudev Narayan Goswami Maharaj very strictly he ordered, no one should not go to the
De maneira estrita,
Astrologer.
ele disse, ninguém deve ir para o astrólogo.
you also just lose money. And they create the many kinds of your doubts.
E os
And
astrólogos criam várias dúvidas.
who has no stomach pain?
Quem não tem
As
dúvida,
you tell to me,
fala pra
oh, this dasa is coming, the stomach pain
fala,
coming.
olha só, esse momento está chegando aqui, por isso você vai ter agora uma dor no estômago.
Are nothing. Oh, this problem is coming from this.
Tá vendo que esse problema aqui, ó, tá
Are why not solving? What is your problem?
Mas por que o astrólogo não resolve esse
Still, his astrologer, he is suffering many kinds of
astrólogo ainda assim, ele
and many material
está
problems.
sofrendo seus
Tell to him, you solve your problem.
problemas materiais. Fala para ele, resolve os seus problemas.
Then to tell to others.
Ao invés de falar para os outros,
Your wife also, what is it called?
leva.
left wife to how to fix the other's wife. Oh, this is huh? Huh? Give me this. I am not saying that this is a mantra shakti also there.
Existe não estou dizendo, mas tem uma chave.
Mantra shakti is there. I cannot joke. There is no mantra shakti. Mantra shakti, everything is there.
Potência no mantra.
But have to siddhi, perfection.
Mas tem que alcançar a perfeição, Siddhi.
Many people without perfection, many siddhi,
Pessoas sem alcançar a
just they cheating the people.
Elas estão enganando os outros.
Huh? Understand? And if you know the person, Krishna desires the best desire. You cannot
Mesmo
control
assim,
to anyone.
Krishna é o melhor desejo.
Only think Krishna is our maintainer. Krishna is our.
Eu penso que Krishna é
Protector,
o
what will do?
mantenedor e protetor. O que mais?
I am not against other people. They are giving many kinds of not against. But when you what is called nirapeksha,
Neutral.
neutral you can discuss.
Mas quando você discute
What
de
will do?
maneira
How to
neutra,
do? Huh? Understand? Krishna knows everything.
Krishna, ele sabe de tudo.
One in Bhagavad Sapta, one lady is 9-10 years. She has no sons and daughters. She was crying and crying. I'm thinking, I'm not sadhu. I cannot do anything. You do?
Ela estava chorando porque ela queria filho.
You do Ekadasi Giriraj Govardhan Parikrama
Faça Ekadasi, o Parikram de Giriraj Govardhan.
and take these fruits.
E aceita
She took fruits, then after 1 year,
depois de
or what is it called? Twins baby coming.
ela teve gêmeos.
This is not my credit. I am not creating this miracle anything. Krishna desires. Just coming from my mouth I am saying this.
Eu falei assim.
I am honestly saying I am not
Eu disse de maneira
creating any miracle. This is not my miracle. All the credits of Krishna.
Seu crédito.
Doctor also surprised. 9 years he treatment, many doctors, doctors completely told not possible.
É impossível, você não vai ter filho.
So only I told.
Eu só falei.
You do 1 year you have to do
Ano você deve
Ekadasi,
seguir
Shuddha Ekadasi, Nirjala Ekadasi,
Ekadasi,
and do Giriraj Govardhan Parikrama.
Giriraj Govardhan Parikram.
Then Krishna will desire. Krishna will give mercy.
Krishna vai dar misericórdia.
Don't think this is my credit.
Não pense que isso
It's
é
credit of Krishna.
meu crédito. Não é pra mim. É o crédito de Krishna.
So this is the thing. Krishna desires best way. Material things are possible also. Understand? This is. If we chant holy names,
Se você cantar os santos nomes,
then what will speak, that will be
se você falar,
perfect.
vai ser perfeito.
Just coming from your mouth.
Sai da sua boca, vai ser perfeito.
Understand this? Not chanting holy names are possible.
Não tá com
Many people not chanting holy names. Okay, I am giving blessing.
pessoas
Okay, so something you are giving.
ajudando bem.
How is it called? Mridanga player. Okay, no problem. Honest I'm saying, okay. When Gurudev give blessing, I say, come blessing.
Tá bom, velho.
Mridanga player, chalo. Tere kada.
Nice blessing.
Huh?
Nice blessing.
Nice blessing. Okay. If you are lucky, Krishna desires, then you will get fruits. Why not?
Se você for afortunado, se for desejo de Krishna, você vai receber o fruto.
Understand? If you are great fortune,
Se você tiver uma grande fortuna,
Krishna will give mercy. Why not?
Krishna vai dar misericórdia, por que não?
Krishna's mercy. Krishna desires the best.
O desejo de Krishna
Yeah.
é o melhor desejo.
Like that thing. Always think that Krishna is my maintainer, Krishna is my
Krishna é o meu mantenedor
protector.
e o meu protetor.
Bhaktivedanta Bhamana Goswami Maharaj did save the life of Jagannatha Maharaj. He was seva in a car accident, and then he died, and then he asked Krishna, you already took on seva? So he came back, and then he resurrected again on alive.
Yes. If he wants, then you think, okay. He told, okay, I'll do this. You do. Possible. Huh? Who? Huh? Huh?
When he got accident all over.
কোমাতে চলে গিয়েছিল অনেকে, বলছে মানে মরে গিয়েছিলেন।
He didn't die.
আরে
I heard this. He didn't die.
he desires it in the Krishna actual desires. Shuddha Bhakta, what is doing? Krishna desires his own desires also. Bhagavad Kripa, Bhakta Kripa, Anugamini. Bhagavad Kripa, Bhakta Kripa, Anugamini. Those who are related to each other. Understand? This is the thing. What Krishna desires? Those Shuddha Bhakta, he realizes what the Krishna desires. Krishna desires thinking this devotee have to alive. Then he said, okay, you alive.
Aí Shuddha Bhakta, né, o desejo de Krishna vem por
This is the thing.
Shuddha Bhakta.
Shuddha Bhakta never against the
Shuddha Bhakta fica contrário
desires of Krishna.
ao desejo de Krishna.
Understand this? Never against this. This is the thing. Srimati Radhika, she knows the heart of Krishna.
Material que ela conhece,
What the Krishna's desires,
que é o desejo de
she knows.
ela sabe.
Sometimes Gurudev gives very nice example. You can see YouTube. Once Radha and Krishna, they also were swimming in the Radha Kunda.
Certa vez Radha e Krishna eles estavam nadando.
And so, Srimati Radhika, she is swimming,
Na verdade,
side by side, Radharani is swimming.
Material que estava lá nadando e do lado
So,
dela Krishna.
Krishna Pakshas and Sakha's there, this side.
Sakas, amigos de Krishna
Or
estavam lá.
Radharani's side, Sakhis are there.
Sakas, amigos de
Srimati
Krishna
Radhika, she is swimming.
estavam lá.
Side by side to Krishna. Both are going.
Estavam lado a lado.
Almost Srimati Radhika, she win.
Material que estava quase vencendo.
Almost maybe 2 meters far.
Talvez 2 metros para chegar no final. assim.
Then suddenly, then all the Sakhis, they also making clubs. Jai Radharani, Jai Ho, Jai Ho. And Sakhas, they are saying, Krishna, Jai Ho, Jai Ho.
Jai Krishna, Jai Krishna.
Suddenly, Srimati Radhika, she turned her face back with Krishna in the back.
Porque Krishna estava para trás um pouco.
Then Srimati Radhika, she is also
Radhika, ela
sink in the
afundou na
water. Then Krishna very quickly
Krishna rapidamente
and jump and
passou
touch
ela,
the point.
tocou ali.
So
ganhou
Krishna win in
no
this
final. Então,
race of the
Krishna
sea.
ganhou essa corrida, essa disputa.
Srimati Radhika, she will be
Srimati Radhika,
and win. This
ela
is
iria
true.
ganhar, é verdade.
But now Srimati Radhika, she defeat. Then all the Sakhis, they become very upset. And Sakhas, they are very happy making the clubs.
Muito feliz batendo palmas.
Then Lalita Abhiseka, they asked to Srimati Radhika, hey Radhe,
Irado.
why did you sink in the
Você
water?
afundou na água, na
And Krishna jumped.
E aí,
So now you defeat.
você foi derrotado.
Then Srimati Radhika, she told,
Srimati Radhika,
when I turn my face to back, Krishna is saying, hey Radhe, every time
todas as vezes
you
você ganha.
win. That this time let me to give chance. I had to
Vou ganhar uma
win.
vez, pelo menos.
Look this. So Krishna desires Srimati Radhika for this regard, I knowingly
Então, Srimati Radhika disse, eu
sink in the water,
gosto,
then Krishna
dei ali, Krishna passou.
get this, win.
E aí ele ganhou.
So Krishna desire. Srimati Radhika, what she is doing? She knows the heart of Krishna. She never against and any desires of
Ela
Krishna.
nunca está contra qualquer desejo de Krishna.
Prem Samput Grantha. Very clearly explain these
Foi
things.
explicado claramente.
When Krishna, he came disguised the form of, what do you name? Devangana.
Ele foi disfarçado
Krishna
de
asked these things to Srimati Radhika.
essas coisas para Srimati.
Then Srimati Radhika, she told, I never against
Eu nunca
any
sou
desire of
contra
Krishna.
qualquer desejo de Krishna.
I know the heart of Krishna.
Eu conheço o coração.
What the Krishna? Even externally I am doing man, externally doing deity. Actually, this is the exclusive pleasure for
Mas tudo isso é para
Krishna.
prazer exclusivo de
Krishna Sukh Hetu Radhika Sab Karen Lok Vyavahar. Chaitanya said that. According to Krishna desire, Srimati Radhika, she perform all kinds of Lok Vyavahar. Look at that. External activity.
todas as suas atividades externas.
Srimati Radhika, she did man. Why? Krishna is crying. Because Srimati Radhika, she realized, if I did man, Krishna will be cry, then this is the pleasure for
Você vai chorar, mas isso é para o prazer dele.
Radhika Janena Krishna, how do you call it? সকল ইচ্ছা and সকল ইচ্ছা পূর্ণ বাঞ্ছিত করেন রাধিকা. Just Chaitanya Chaudhary compare this way. Srimati Radhika, she knows the heart of Krishna.
Ela conhece o coração de
Huh? And she can fulfill all the desires of Krishna.
Ela pode satisfazer
কৃষ্ণ বাঞ্ছা পূর্তি করে আরাধনে অতএব রাধিকা নাম পুরাণে বাখানে. ভাই রাধা নাম ইজ কর রাধা.
que Radharani
They are the same very clearly. কৃষ্ণ বাঞ্ছা পূর্তি করে আরাধনা. And Srimati Radhika, she can fulfill all the desires.
satisfaz todos os desejos de Krishna.
Eh? So for the Ved Purana Upanishad, her name is called Radha.
As Upanishadas dizem que o nome dela
She knows everything this.
ela sabe de
Devi Krishnamai Prakta Radhika Paradevata Sarva Lakshmai Sarva Kanti Sanamahini Para. So Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami Chaitanya Dev, every single word he also explained.
a palavra desse verso.
Eh? Radha Purna Shakti Krishna Purna Shaktiman Dui Vastu Bhed Nahi Sasera Praman. So there are many examples there.
Existem muitos exemplos.
So Krishna desire. Because Krishna he the supreme enjoyer.
Krishna é o desfrutador
Except
supremo.
Krishna, everybody is called
Além de Krishna,
enjoyee. Vaishnava philosophy this way. One is called
na filosofia
enjoyer, one is called enjoyee.
que é desfrutar.
Eh? Krishna desire. Srimati Radhika she knows. If I do this, then Krishna will have.
Se eu fizer isso, Krishna vai ficar
Krishna's
feliz.
pleasure. So Srimati Radhika, she performs all kinds of activities, even man, even she use her words, everything is what?
Quando ela fala áspera,
Krishna's pleasure. Externally,
do prazer para felicidade.
she is very angry.
Internamente ela tá
Eh?
brava.
She use the harsh words.
Usa
Why?
palavras duras.
Krishna's pleasure.
Por quê?
Krishna is saying, "Kriya যদি মান করি করে বৎসন বেদস্তুতি হইতে মোর হরে মোর মন." Very clearly explained. Krishna says, eh? When my beloved Srimati Radhika or gopis
Vai tirar de suas golpes.
use any harsh words, then I am very happy.
Duras comigo, eu fico muito feliz.
Huh? This is the pleasure. Krishna's pleasure.
Tudo é pro prazer de Krishna.
Yeah. So always think this. So those who are pure devotee,
Aqueles que são devotos,
they never also against
eles nunca estão
Any?
contra
Krishna's desire.
qualquer desejo de Krishna.
Huh? These are things. Externally you will think this way. Okay, she is saying, okay, the one devotee about to die
Tinha devoto que estava perto
and in
de morrer,
coma.
estava em coma.
Then Srila Gurudev Nanak Baman Goswami Maharaj,
Dev Vamana Goswami Maharaj,
he prayed to Srimati
ele
Radhika.
orou a Srimati.
No. Understand? And save his life.
Ó, salve a vida
Eh?
dele.
This- And one day that devotee will depart from this material world or not?
Salve, mas um dia ele não vai partir desse mundo material.
Now, eternally will be
Eternamente ele vai ficar.
alive. Huh? These are. No. This is the thing. Okay, Krishna is thinking, okay, hey Bhavan Goswami Maharaj, you are this disciple,
Krishna estava
Eh?
pensando.
truly self.
Ó, Shila Vamana Goswami Maharaj, seu discípulo
Then externally he is saying,
salvo. Então,
okay,
eternamente ele disse, ó,
huh? Yeah.
tá bom, salve esse
Praying to
povo,
the
orando.
prayers coming. Huh? These things. Shuddha Bhakta can do this.
Tudo basta.
Actually, Shuddha Bhakta, what he is doing, everything,
Tudo que ele está fazendo
Krishna's there.
é pelo desejo de Krishna.
And Krishna इच्छा बिना फल धरी बारे ना रे हैं बहु द्रव्य यदि থাকে तब घरे हैं और इस कृष्णर इच्छा बिना से खाई बारे ना रे चैतन्य भागवत in your house many kinds of preparation
Na sua casa pode ter
laddu
preparações,
kachori
lados,
many kinds of preparation
vários.
हैं पर कृष्ण तारे दिया আছে एक কঠিন রোগ हैं many rich person
Muitas pessoas
Ambani.
ficam.
Huh? You understand? Ambani understand? No. One of the biggest, what is it called? Richest person.
Pessoa mais
And among the in this material world. A lot of wealth of money.
milionário,
Huh?
milionário.
Understand? So just to give an example,
Estou dando um exemplo.
his frees many kinds of
Ele tem
preparation.
muita comida,
Eh?
muitas preparações.
But Krishna तारे दिया আছে एक महारोग.
Mais pelo
But
desejo
Krishna is giving Krishna has given and one very what is called Maharog. Rog understand disease. Huh? He cannot eat.
E aí ele dá
All
pra
his
ele,
family member are eating.
consegue comer. Todos os
Eh?
membros da família dele
rice, all different kinds of preparation. Rasgulla, but he is maybe, I know, just give an example. Maybe he has high blood sugar. Everybody eating rasgulla, how he is looking. Huh? This is true. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is saying, Krishna तारे दिया छे अनेक लक्ष्य भोज्य द्रव्य यदि ताके घरे कृष्ण इच्छा बिना भोग करिते ना पारे. और दिस अनदर पोयर आल्सो जस्ट आई फॉरगेट. ये ताते कृष्ण तारे दिया छे एक महारोग. रोग मीन्स डिजीज. Only your wealth money you cannot enjoy. Krishna desires.
Depende do desejo de Krishna.
Understand? Who has no bed? He wants to sleep,
Quem não tem cama,
but he has no bed. Or who has nice bed, but he cannot sleep on the bed.
ele não consegue deitar naquela cama e sair dormir.
Look, this is the nature of this material
É a
world.
natureza desse mundo material.
Understand? Poor person, he has no bed,
Pobre não tem cama,
sleeping on the road.
dorme
He
na
wants
rua,
to sleep. He is sleeping on the
ele tá
floor.
dormindo no chão.
A rich person, very nice, beautiful, soft bed, but so many also have.
Macia,
10 sun. Night time cannot sleep.
muitos problemas na cabeça, não consegue
What is the
dormir.
meaning of the soft bed?
Então, qual o significado de ter uma cama macia?
So this Chaitanya Bhagavat saying this way.
Chaitanya Bhagavata diz
Just to forget this poem.
dessa maneira.
But this is so Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is saying, Laksha bhakcha drabya yadi tage gare, ba Krishna ichha vina bhog kari bari na. Without Krishna desire cannot do. What is that?
Sem desejo de Krishna, você não pode comer, não pode fazer nada.
So always I emphasize this word, Krishna desires is the best desire.
Enfatiza esse ponto.
What will do
O desejo de
nothing.
Krishna é o melhor desejo.
But Suddha Bhakta always is what? Following the desires of Krishna.
Mas
Krishna.
o Siddha Bhakta está sempre seguindo o desejo de Krishna.
So sometimes we give this example.
Às vezes eu dou esse exemplo.
There is one boat, 100 people on this the boat.
Tem barco
Are in this boat, one sadhu is there.
e lá no meio tinha
When
cara.
boat came in the middle of the river, then big storm came.
Veio uma tempestade.
And boat about to,
O barco começa a balançar
sim,
e
sim.
tá prestes a
and big waves coming.
várias ondas.
Then all the passengers, the boat, they cried, what to do now, we die.
Começam a chorar.
A sadhu is the sick, not crying,
O
nothing.
sábio está tranquilo.
When the waves coming, sadhu, welcome, waves come inside. Help.
Quando vem as ondas com a água, o sábio está dando boas-vindas.
People are looking, how is this sadhu, he is crazy.
E aí todo mundo olhou e pensou, como esse sábio
Then
tá?
after a few minutes,
Depois de alguns minutos,
then waves stop, everything, and sadhu took the water
começa a tirar a água do barco.
from the boat and throw it. That time everybody asked, why do you?
Pergunta, por que você fez isso?
Why do you welcome, why did you welcome the waves of the water come inside?
Água pra dentro.
And now you also throwing this water from the boat. Why? Then sadhu is saying,
É o sábio disso.
when big waves come, then think, oh, Krishna desires our boat have to
Que o barco tem que afundar.
sink in the water. So I welcome, okay, come.
Dando boas-vindas para ajudar.
And now Krishna desires, no, boat should be,
Não, o barco tem que ficar aqui.
say,
Então eu estou ajudando, seguindo o desejo
É?
do Krishna.
Suddha Bhakta desi dega.
É, assim é o desejo do Siddha Bhakta.
Or Bhaktivinoda Thakur, this song also, तुम्ही सर्वे सरेश्वरो ब्रजेंद्र कुमार तुम्हारो इच्छा जीवे जन्म. Everything is of Krishna.
Então, nessa canção vai cantar que explica como tudo é o desejo de Krishna.
This is the thing. Bhakti, this thing. Bhakti means always anukulasya grahanam, pratikulasya varjanam. Anukul accept and
Quer dizer que você deve
Pratikul,
aceitar
those
o
are
que é favorável e rejeitar aquilo que
reject.
é desfavorável.
this is the thing. Okay, understand?
Como que a gente faz para tirar o desejo de cima da nossa?
How to get, how to remove the material desires from the heart.
Chanting holy names. There are no any other process. Chant holy name. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. No criticize to anyone. Do bhajan and sadhana. Very simple. Possible. All your material desires will be automatically disappear from your heart. Harina. And so saying the Hare Nama Iva Kevalam Kalu Nastiva Gadiranna. Kalu Jiva Nam Sankirtan. By the person karma, jnana, yoga, tapasya, many kinds of austerities you cannot conquer this one. People they are doing, but or the yoga process, maybe that second, that control. Then again come. So for the Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Jat Pada Pankaja Palasa Vilasa Bhakta Karmasam Graditam Udgatayanti Santa Tadavanna Raktam Matayu Jatayu Srota Gunastam Bhaja Vasudeva. This Jat Pada Pankaja Palasa Vilasa Bhakta Karmasam Udgatayanti Santa Tadavanna Riktamata Jato Niruddha Sota Gunastam Bhaja Vasudeva. Bhagavad Nam. Kali Yug, only this holy name. Yogis, Gyanis, they perform hard austerities. Hey, take care of me. Kormi, Gyani, Yogis, they perform the hard austerities, how to control their last entire disease. But Bhakta, those are pure devotees, just rendering, chanting holy name. Easy to control. Should we chant holy name? People are not chanting holy name, they think, oh, mind disturbed. All the medicine is only one medicine, not many medicine. Mahaprabhu brought one medicine from Golok Vrindavan. What the medicine? Harinam Mahamantra. Aniyachi Enechi Aushadhi Maya Nasi Bar Lagi. Harinam Mahamantra Lord to be Magi. Magi. Ask, oh, give me this medicine. What medicine? Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare Rama, Rama Rama. This is that. Passport. All that mystic power, everything will come. But pure devotees, they don't want to show any kinds of mystic power. Yesterday, what is my Gurudev's servant? Nishingananda Prabhu? Who is staying in Giriraj Govardhan, and he took sannyas. His name is Govardhan Babaji. He was the servant of Srila Gurudev Vaman Goswami. Listen, very nice. He is saying, very nice katha. My Gurudev is completely renounced person. He took one disciple, Nishingananda is the disciple. Servicing, completely surrendered. Then he is going, and my Gurudev is not keeping any money thing. Nishingananda, he kept 10 rupees, Indian 10 rupees in his pocket. That time he is coming from, they are coming from the Assam. Yes? Just to Devananda Gaudiya. Then Gurudev told, hey, Nishananda, how many monies have you in your pocket? Today Gurudev, only 10 rupees. Then Gurudev told, hey, give me 10 rupees. Well, you are going to Navadvip Dham. Have to serve Mahaprabhu. Then 10 rupees.
Ele deu assim 10
That time 10 rupees also not
Na
so.
verdade,
Uh,
naquela época 10 rupias valia, né?
okay, so Gurudev told, okay. And you bring some,
E aí Gurudeva falou.
what is called? And then in Navadvip, Kacha Rasgulla, na? Kacha Rasgulla, one kind of best Rasgulla, na? I don't know. It's called Kacha Rasgulla. Huh? Understand? Well, you buy.
Ele falou assim, traz doce especial.
Then he returned back. Well, I don't know. They asked the 15 rupees. Man, need more?
Aí ele falou assim,
5 rupees. In the meantime, one person came and also do pranam to Gurudev
veio uma
and
pessoa
give the
com reverências para Gurudeva.
5 rupees. Same time.
5 rupias.
Miracle.
Naquele momento, ele falou assim, milagre.
Then Gurudev told, okay, take this,
Gurudeva
5
falou, tá bom,
rupees.
toma aqui, ó.
Then Gurudev, he gave 5 rupees.
Ele
Then,
deu 5 rupias.
eh? Rasgulla I brought and offered to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu.
Especial.
Huh? So Gurudev is saying, that Nishyananda is saying, the Gurudev desired that today I will offer to
Então ele disse,
eh,
né, hoje é o desejo
Mahaprabhu
que eu posso oferecer para
this Rasgulla. Actually, if you go Navadvip,
Você for pro Navadvip,
and one kind of best
é o melhor tipo de
sweet, that is name is called Kacha Rasgulla. Kacha Rasgulla means they are making the the Rasgulla with the pure, what is it called? That is chana. Chana? Or English term? Soft paneer.
eles fazem essa raça
If you go ask the Bengali what they are saying this way. Kacha Rasgulla. They make it very sweet also.
Então é muito doce.
Generally,
muito
people they put many kinds of what is called some atta, maida, mixed, other things also cream, something they give. But this Kacha Rasgulla means only
saboroso. Só com esse
pure
paneiro
and
mais
paneer.
macio, bem puro.
So Gurudev, these are coming.
Então o Gurudeva
Yeah, today,
dele
I will.
veio. Hoje
Okay.
eu quero oferecer isso para Mahaprabhu.
And offer to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Then he told, very nice katha he is saying.
Então ele contou esse catálogo belo.
Gurudev, he came one house
O Gurudeva foi até a casa
and in Assam or somewhere.
em ação em algum lugar.
He did not give impression. He did not give the information. Yeah, I am coming your house.
Ele não avisou que
He
ele
came
estava
his
na
house.
casa do devoto.
And only Gurudev
Só o Gurudeva
or his servant Nisiganand.
e o servo dele no
That time that person is not in the house. They went to
a pessoa
the field, cultivate the field, you know.
não tinha ido cuidar ali da
Yeah,
terra.
very simple people. And that house also closed the locked.
E aquela
Locked.
casa estava trancada.
So how to enter?
Como entrar na casa?
Then Gurudev told,
E aí o Gurudeva disse,
okay, Nisiganand, make the clubs.
Fernando, bata a palma.
Make club. Then the lock open.
Ele bateu palmas e a porta trancou.
Then he enter. Household are not in there.
O dono da casa não estava lá.
Then Gurudev enter
Aí o Gurudeva
and
entrou,
Nishanandi told, just say put Ganga Jal with there.
o Fernando ele colocou a água do Ganges ali.
Understand? They are always keeping. My Gurudev always is saying, keep Ganga Jal.
Sempre dizia
Small bottle.
sempre andar com água.
Only I am also carrying Ganga
Também
Jal.
sempre carrega.
I bought from where?
Eu trouxe de onde?
No, just I bought from. Just coming from where?
Bem,
Spain. And
da Espanha eu trouxe essa água.
then, always you keep Ganga Jal and
Carregar um pouco de água do Ganges
water of the Ganges and Ganga Mitti there.
e um pouquinho de
This is very important.
terra do Ganges.
Keep always.
É muito poderoso.
Always, when you travel, always you keep two things.
Sempre carrega duas
Ganga Jal, Tulasi, leaves,
água do Ganges, folha de
And?
Tulsi,
Bhagavad Gita, small Bhagavad Gita.
Bhagavad Gita. Bhagavad Gita pequena.
It's very important. Always I am every time, always I am
Todas as vezes,
Hein?
pra onde eu vou,
Understand? In my bag, always here.
na minha bolsa.
Ganga Jal,
Água do Ganges,
Bhagavad Gita, and Tulasi leaf. Dry Tulasi leaf keep in your Tulasi leaves. Understand? Bhagavad Gita. Bhagavad Gita always keep. This is very important. Yeah. So, what did he say? Then he told, just yesterday I listened his
Ontem eu escutei
Gurudev Katha, he told.
esse catar de Gurudeva.
Then he cleaned everything to put Ganga Jal. Then Gurudev lay down. Gurudev told, I am very tired.
Eu disse, eu estou muito cansado, vou descansar.
Then after a few minutes there, the owner came. He said, who is my house? And who opened this way?
Quem abriu a porta?
That time Gurudev told, I did this.
Aí Gurudeva disse, né?
Then they cooked and they took prasad.
Aí eles cozinharam, serviram pra chave.
Miracle.
Foi milagre.
Brahman Goswami Maharaj,
Vamos Goswami Maharaj,
his miracle.
muitos milagres na vida dele.
They can do anything.
Ele pode fazer qualquer
If he wants, he can do it. Not necessary. And even sometimes also, when he return back in Navadvip, even he's asking, hey, where is the key in my room?
Às vezes, quando ele voltava para a Navadvip, ele perguntava, cadê a chave do meu quarto?
Look this. So, what Suddha Bhakta, what is doing, what is not doing, very difficult to
O
understand.
Master faz ou ele deixa de fazer, é muito difícil de entender.
Very right.
Às vezes ele faz um milagre e às vezes não sabe nem usar a chave do próprio quarto.
So you chant holy names, then you control or your last anger, envy, possible. Everything. Chant holy name, always saying chant holy name. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. So, don't and never criticize to anyone. On your life, you think,
Uma vida,
no need to criticize. Chant holy name. Who is doing bad things, you will be dying.
está fazendo coisa
You will be suffer. This is not your business.
não tem nada a ver
Your business, chant holy name.
com o seu negócio. O que você deve fazer é cantar
What he is doing, what not he is
com
doing.
ele ou ela está fazendo ou deixando de fazer.
And never also blaspheme to others.
Nunca blasfeme os outros.
So yesterday, one day I also gave one very katha.
Eu dei esse
And about the Socrates. You read also Socrates, Greek philosophers. Socrates.
Socrático.
Socrates. Just I give you the one mundane people. He is not the pure devotee. Socrates. Socrates, when he was sitting, then one his friend came.
Então, Sócrates, quando ele estava sentado,
You read his life history.
pode ler a história
Internet you can go on.
leia na internet.
Then he asked, then his friend told, hey Socrates, do you
Um
know
amigo dele disse,
this person is your enemy?
essa pessoa aqui, ó, é seu inimigo.
Just to point out this only. And he did this. We should be very good. Then Socrates, he told, okay, I will be take 3 filters. He used this word. I will do the 3 filters, I clarify. First filter, he is using this word.
Eu vou avaliar essa pessoa no
First
inimigo
filter
com 3 filtros,
is that
baseado em 3.
who told you he is my enemy?
Quem disse pra você que ele é meu inimigo?
Who told you?
Quem disse isso?
Or someone told.
Ah, alguém disse.
Who do you believe that person?
Mas você acredita nessa pessoa?
His person is good or bad?
Essa pessoa é boa ou
First
ruim?
filter.
Primeiro filtro.
Who told you this person is your enemy? They think. Do you know these people? Who told you? Then he told. Socrates' friend told.
Aí o
No,
amigo
no.
Sócrates disse,
I did not know that person.
eu não conheço essa pessoa.
So how did you believe?
Então por que você acreditou? Como acreditasse?
Then Socrates told, okay, you give this message.
Tá bom, você tá me dando essa
Good message or bad message?
Essa mensagem é
First,
boa ou ruim?
second filter. He used this word.
Filtro, né?
Good message or bad message?
Mensagem é boa ou ruim?
Or this is bad message?
Mensagem ruim.
Why giving this bad
Você
message
está
to me?
trazendo essa notícia ruim.
Okay.
Tá bom.
Third filter.
O terceiro filtro,
Socrates is saying,
Sócrates diz,
this person is my enemy. Or he criticized.
você está dizendo.
What benefit will you get?
Qual benefício você vai ter nisso?
Yes.
What benefit will you get? Very nothing. So why are you telling to me?
Então por que você está me dizendo?
You don't know this message is perfect or not.
Sabe se essa
How do you believe?
mensagem é correta ou não, é boa ou não. Como acreditar?
Some person told,
Uma pessoa disse
and your hat stolen by the crow.
que o seu chapéu foi
Hã?
levado por um corvo.
Understand? कौआ तुम्हारा टोपी के चोरी करके ले गए. अरे you touch your head
Toca na sua cabeça. Check.
in your head on your.
Seu chapéu só toca
Just
na
some
cabeça.
person told.
Uma pessoa falou.
So how possible feel?
Como que você vai acreditar?
Huh? And that person told he is good person or bad
A pessoa
person.
que falou é uma pessoa boa ou ruim.
Huh? If you don't know that person is a good
Você não
person,
sabe se essa pessoa é boa ou ruim.
so how will you believe in it?
Como acreditar no que ela está dizendo?
Huh? Many people are blaspheme.
As pessoas estão blasfemando.
Huh? This is the material of the world. Most of the 99%
99%
people,
das pessoas,
they are nature to make the
a delas
and blaspheme.
é blasfemar.
Defame. What is called? Huh? And defame. This is okay, do this. Look this. And if you not 100% to concern, this is the how you believe this?
Se você não tem 100% de certeza, não está confirmado, por que você vai acreditar?
So you read, you go to the internet
Vai
and
na
ask
internet,
the Socrates, what is called? Socrates and life is written on
sobre a
the
vida de Sócrates,
three filters.
ensinamentos, sobre os 3 filtros.
Because most of the people also, their heart is full of lust
A
and
maior parte das
anger,
pessoas tem o coração cheio de
stupid nonsense for just this regard, they also imposing to
Por
others.
essas elas impõem isso nos outros.
Eh? Understand? Stupid nonsense person. They are stupid nonsense. So for this regard, they are looking, oh, he is stupid. Also.
Então elas olham para os outros e dizem,
Hmm?
ele é assim, assim.
I am stupid, so he is stupid.
Ele também é estúpido.
Understand? Stupid person always
Estúpido,
will that way.
mas sempre agir assim.
Now, okay. Finish. Chalo. 7:45. No, 7:40. To go take prasadam. Huh? So, never criticize anyone. Do bhajan and sadhana.
Faça bhajana sadhana.
कहा निंदा पड़े कृष्ण कृष्ण बोले अजय चैतन्य से जिनी भी गए What this regard, yesterday I gave this very nice story.
História é muito bela.
Understand? So who is taking the offenses of king? Remember, yesterday I told you. Who is taking? That the villagers, those who
Aquelas pessoas do vilarejo
criticized to
ficaram
king who disguised the form of sadhu.
passadas como sábios.
Understand? That sadhu is not attached with the younger, nothing.
O sábio não estava
But villagers think, gazing, oh,
pessoas do vilarejo.
why sadhu is staying in his house?
Por que o sábio ficou mais um dia na casa dele?
Oh, must be this sadhu attached with.
Deve ser que ele estava
Yeah.
ligado àquela jovem.
So blasphemy or not?
Então eles blasfemaram o sábio ou não?
If sadhu attached, that is another
Se
problem.
tivesse
Não,
apegado
sábio
a
não
outra coisa,
acontece.
mas ele não estava.
And the king who disguised the form of sadhu, just he would, why he was staying on another day, delay, why another day? Could you remember? Why? Just he want to listen the judgment.
Queria escutar ali o
Hã?
julgamento da
Brahma and
decisão.
Shiva. Brahma and Shiva.
So Brahma and Shiva what is giving the judgment. For this regard, he told, this is my case.
Por isso que ele ficou mais um dia.
This story is very perfect story.
A história é uma história perfeita.
King is thinking, oh, this is actual
O rei estava pensando,
my life
na
history.
verdade essa é a minha história.
I feed the Brahmanas.
Eu alimentei os brahmanas.
And 100 Brahmins died. So Brahma Tapa coming to me
O
also.
pecado de matar os brahmanas vem para mim ou não?
So I have to suffer.
Eu tenho que saber, eu tenho que ficar mais
This is
tempo
coming.
para saber.
But Brahma Shiva, they give the decision. The kings, all the sinful going to the
Na verdade, todos os pecados
villagers
do rei vão
because they
para o
criticize.
vilarejo porque elas criticaram.
So if you criticize to
Então, se você criticar cara,
mundane people
pessoas
or
mundanas,
anybody, that thing, reaction will come to you.
as reações dessas pessoas
For
vão
this
vir pra
regard,
você.
this is from Bhagavad, no? No nindati, no prasangsati, huh? Parasvabha karmani, no nindati, no prasangsati. Or the next line, what? The last is saying, patanti adha. If you also degrade it,
Na cidade também,
use this
se
word.
você criticar, aí o que acontece?
Patanti
Você vai
asu.
ser degradado.
Also, mean, very quickly you will be also
Rapidamente,
degraded.
você também vai...
Because all these bad things will come to
Todas
you.
as coisas ruins dessas pessoas que você está criticando vão vir pra você.
Glorified to sadhu.
Glorifique o sábio.
No criticize to others.
Não critique aos outros.
No need to bad thing. Criticize.
Não precisa criticar ninguém.
These are things. A sadhu glorify what time? When sadhu will die.
E o sábio, você deve glorificar ele quando? Quando
Understand?
ele morrer.
So for this Bengali word say, sadhu marle chai hoi tabe tar gun gai. Actually this word recited by Bhakti Rakha Siddhar Goswami
Na
Maharaj.
verdade, Bhakti Rashidhar Maharaj tinha esse dom.
Just remember, one day in his Harikatha,
Dia no seu Harikatha,
he told,
ele disse,
just remember, when you glorify the sadhu, when sadhu will die,
quando você deve glorificar um sábio, quando ele morrer.
then you see his life history.
Então você pode ver a vida dele.
Before dying, he is glorified this
Se
thing.
morrer, se você glorificar
And
ele,
after his then we see he is also doing many bad things.
mas depois que ele morrer, você vai ver que ele fez várias coisas erradas, ruins.
So, sadhu marle chai hoi tabe tar gundai. And this is the nature. So when one person is living in this world,
Essa é a natureza.
they no one to write his life history. Very rare.
Está nesse mundo, ninguém fala sobre a história de vida dela.
Java explain this one.
Jagadharma explica isso.
And when the person name will be what is called his book or his glorification book, biography is when manifested, when he left his body.
Quando você escreve a biografia de alguém,
Understand this
já
thing?
partiu.
And then published. Maybe just writing in the what is called
Talvez você possa
manuscript,
escrever, né? Manuscrito
Hã?
que é publicado só depois que a pessoa parte.
not published. But when Guru Vaishnava they departed, then
Eles partem,
published, coming to
sim, é
the
publicado
people.
para as pessoas.
Understand? Any our Guru Vargadev, they are
Pode ver no nosso Guru Vada,
life history
a história de
when
vida,
published,
quando foi publicado,
when they departed from this material.
partiram desse mundo material.
Except like exceptional case, very rare.
Casos
Possible also.
específicos, excepcionais, é possível também.
Whose life history manifested when he was alive.
A história de vida de
I don't
Paulo
know, maybe
vai ficar
very
mais
rare.
tarde, foi manifestada quando ele ainda estava vivo.
Guru dele.
Huh?
Deva Madhava Maharaj.
Are you wrote or not? That time he manuscribed. Manuscribed understand? Not when Gurudev alive, not published. My Gurudev the cannot publish the book. When Gurudev alive, that time Madhav Maharaj not published the Gurudev life history. This is.
História de vida de Gurudev.
Huh? When Gurudev departed,
Gurudev partiu,
that time this is the rules also.
é a regra.
And if anybody doing this is the exceptional case. If you do, this is,
Mas é um caso,
this is not the rules. Huh?
uma exceção, né?
Ah.
Caso à parte.
Huh? Only Bhaktivinoda Thakur, when he alive, he wrote, I am Kamal Manjari. Mind who did this. Before no one did it. At that time, situation was this. For this regard, Bhaktivinoda Thakur,
Era uma situação
he emphasized, yes.
estabelecer.
Because that time so much Savajiya, Sokhi, Bhakti, they against Gauriya Vaishnava. Oh, Gauriya Vaishnava, they have no Rasa, no Manjari Bhav. So Bhaktivinoda Thakur,
Eles não têm manjeribado. E aí,
eh? He wrote this. My name is, what is called?
é,
Kamal Manjari. My service is this.
esse é o meu serviço.
Huh? According to the situation, that could be rare
Uma
case.
situação, mas é muito raro.
Huh? Understand? Reader. So, when sadhu departed from the world, then his life is
Parte desse mundo, aí a história de vida dele é publicada. É
understand this. Read the press. What the Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told to Rayavarman? Hey Rayananda, I am showing this the confident thing.
Estou te mostrando algo confidencial.
According my this what is called Bhoma Lila, when I'm saying, don't you tell to anyone.
De acordo com essa minha lila que eu estou realizando aqui, não fale para ninguém.
Yes, and this is also mentioned in Shastra. And your Goppo Katha Tumi Kaharana Kahiva. Even Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told the Tathik Vipra also. Read Chaitanya
Até
Mahaprabhu.
mesmo Chaitanya Mahaprabhu falou para aquele...
Yeah, I am the same Krishna, I am same
Eu sou o mesmo Krishna.
Nandanandan Krishna.
Nandanandana Krishna.
Hey Brahman,
Ei, Brahman.
don't you tell to anyone.
Não fale para ninguém.
This is the process also.
É o processo.
And those who are doing, this is called,
E aqueles que
in
fazem...
my Gurudev word, that is called Ghoda Denge Ghas Kha. Ghoda Denge Ghas Kha.
The horse always eating the grass. The saying, oh, horse is jumping and eating grass. Dinge means jumping.
Huh?
Usually he's
Ghoda,
always eating grass.
they the upakkan over there.
Jump, you cannot eat grass.
When the horse drinking or eating the grass,
Comendo a grama,
there is one barrier. Huh? And grass is giving this there.
tem tipo uma barreira e a grama...
Horse
tá depois.
cannot cross that the barrier.
Consegue passar essa barreira.
Horse just is,
Cavalo,
what is your long neck and
com seu
taking this.
pescoço que é longo, ele alcança a grama.
Eh? Or if horse is thinking, I will jump, go that
Mas
place,
se o cavalo pensar,
cross
"Vou
the
pular essa
barrier,
cerca, essa
and
barreira",
that is
é
impossible.
impossível.
Those who are same in the same way, Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada, in his nectar of instruction explains, those who are doing extra thing, that is called this one,
Eles que fazem
illegal.
essas coisas, na verdade, é ilegal, é
Hã?
incorreto.
Understand? These are things. This is not you can do this.
Impostures.
Huh?
Imposture.
Imposture.
Impostores.
You read Upakkan Upade Bhaktisiddhanta Prabhupada, he also there.
Devem ler.
That Bengali word saying, Ghoda Dingiye Ghas. No, Ghoda. This. So always following the rules. This. So when Guru and Vaishnava saying,
Vaishnava,
you can also manuscript, write your.
material, você pode escrever uma
You can keep.
para você mesmo, você pode manter ali.
When Guru and Vaishnava departed, then you can. This is good. These are rules.
Essas são as regras.
What is it?
When you said after you become ashes, then you glorify sadhu, because baby before sadhu or not, who knows? Because when the person, my understanding is correct, I asked for Gurudev. After the person departs, then everything the person did, if he did some mistake with him or something like that, he will say, he will speak up. Then that's why.
When sadhu departed from this material world, then you realize he's taking his good things. Not that taking any bad things. You understand? Understand? As like when the Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada and his brother, he against also the mood of Bhaktisiddhanta Prabhupada. I think Bhaktisiddhanta Prabhupada's brother, no? What is his name? Jati Lalitananda something. Lalit Prasad.
O irmão de Bhaktisiddhanta
Not
Saraswati
accepted.
Prabhupada, ele era contrário a Srila Bhaktisiddhanta.
Understand this? So his life history not our those who are lying in the Gaudiya Vaishnava, Bhaktisiddhanta Prabhu, they are not accepted.
Então, aqueles que estão na linha, né, Gaudiya Vaishnava de Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada, eles não aceitam a história de vida do irmão dele que era contrário a ele.
Because he before he was following to Prabhupada,
Porque antes
then
ele seguia Prabhupada,
he against Bhaktisiddhanta Prabhupada.
contrário a Prabhupada,
So, reject.
Prabhupada, então a gente rejeita.
Understand? So for this regard, this only. Many things. Yeah. Who is sadhu, who is asadhu,
Quem é
that
assado, quem é assado,
do bhajan and sadhan, chant holy
mais
names.
assado não conhece os santos nomes.
Prabhupada also many, they have already named. Many also. They are renounced order, then give up, they are renounced order, they enter in the
Prabhupada era renunciado.
household life, that they did.
Abandonaram a ordem.
So how to first glorify?
Então, como
Or he is
glorificar?
great sadhu, nice sannyasi, then after 10 years you saying, oh, he is bogus sadhu. How possible say this one?
Bobo.
At a time you cannot write that the book.
Você não pode escrever um livro já dessa pessoa.
Before he saying,
Antes você
oh, he is nice sannyasi, that this. Okay, write this, publish this book.
Tá bom, aí você publica esse livro.
Eh? Then after few years,
Depois de alguns
when
anos,
he give up his
ele abandona
sannyas base and
roupa de sannyasa,
stupid nonsense, that how person will write
várias coisas tolas, e aí
same life history?
você vai poder falar a mesma história, a mesma glorificação.
So for this regard, actually Bhakti Rakha Siddhar Goswami Maharaj,
Bhakti Siddhar Maharaj,
I think as my
de
remembrance,
acordo com a minha memória,
maybe not, but I think so. This is the quotation of Bhakti Siddhar.
Bhakti Siddhar.
So just I'm not 100%, but this quotation come from. I hope so. And he said, you glorify this sadhu when sadhu will be
Escutei isso dele, né?
die and transfer in as.
Glorificar um sábio só depois que
Then you write, okay, he is good person, he is bad
transformado
person.
em cinza.
Huh? Understand? So this is the process. Glorification should be published after his
Então, a
death.
glorificação deve ser publicada depois da partida.
Understand? So, Mara Vrindavan Bihari Lal Ki Jai Jai Shri Ram. Oh, now 8 o'clock. Get prasadam, go.
Esse é o primeiro que vocês me deram.